Chapter 1.1.2.7 Finalizers. Finalizers in Kubernetes are keys that specify conditions that must be met before resources marked for deletion are fully deleted. They alert controllers to clean up resources owned by the deleted object. When an object with finalizers is marked for deletion, Kubernetes populates .metadata.deletion timestamp and returns a status code of 202 HTTP accepted. The object remains in a terminating state while actions defined by the finalizers are carried out. Once these actions are completed, the finalizers are removed, and when the metadata.finalizers field is empty, Kubernetes considers the deletion complete. Finalizers can be used to control the garbage collection of resources and to ensure specific cleanup tasks are performed by controllers before deleting a resource. Usually, finalizers do not contain code, but are lists of keys on a resource similar to annotations. While Kubernetes automatically specifies some finalizers, users can also specify their own. How finalizers work. Finalizers are used in Kubernetes to control what happens when a resource is deleted. When a resource with finalizers is deleted, the API server adds a deletion timestamp and prevents the resource from being removed until all finalizer conditions are satisfied. Controllers managing finalizers then attempt to satisfy these conditions, removing finalizers from the resource's finalizers field. Once all finalizers are removed, the resource is automatically deleted. Finalizers can also be used to prevent the accidental deletion of resources, such as persistent volumes. By adding a finalizer like kubernetes.io/pv protection to a persistent volume object, Kubernetes ensures that the volume cannot be deleted while it is in use by a pod. The finalizer is cleared once the pod stops using the volume, allowing the volume to be deleted. Once an object is marked for deletion in Kubernetes, its finalizers cannot be modified and the deletion timestamp cannot be changed. The only way to remove the object is to delete it and create a new one. Owner references, labels, and finalizers. Owner references in Kubernetes are used to describe the relationships between objects, unlike labels that are used to track changes to groups of related objects. When a controller manages objects like pods, it applies labels to track changes, and owner references to point at the object that created them. If a job creates pods and is deleted while the pods are running, Kubernetes uses owner references to determine which pods need cleanup. Finalizers are processed when owner references are identified on a resource targeted for deletion, and they can block the deletion of dependent objects, causing the target owner object to remain longer. Manually removing finalizers is not recommended, as it can lead to issues in the cluster. Troubleshooting should involve checking finalizers and owner references on the affected objects.